welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and we are just doing an eyeshadow look in this video today. I'm not going to do my full face because I just recently did 2 other videos I need to get up with my full face. So this is just a nice spring pinky orange look. Okay, and I use this Kaleidos Escape Pod Palette. I haven't used it in a while. I decided to keep my lower lash line just bare because the look is already like a bright pink and I didn't want to do like a nude color under there, and I didn't want to do a bright color, so I just kind of thought it looked fine just bare like it is. But normally I don't like to not do my lower lash line because I feel like it makes my face look long. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like, and we are using that bright pink and orange. So we'll go ahead and get into the video so you can see how I created this look. It's super simple and easy. So we are gonna jump into that look. Now I do need to do my eyes first, so I need to get my eyes prepped. I've only done my eyebrows, and the concealer I'm gonna use on my eyes is this BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. What color is it? Color number 113. Looks like this. And I haven't used this in a while as well, so we are going to just take this, and it squeezes out like this, so there we go. So I'm gonna just put this all over like that. This is kind of messy, this applicator, but I found this at the bottom of my concealer drawer, so I figured let me try this because it's been a while. I don't even remember how I felt about it. So we'll try that. You can just use like a wet wipe and it cleans right off. I have my sponge here. It's a damp sponge, and we will use that to just go ahead and blend this concealer in. I like to use a lighter concealer when I'm doing my eyes so that it stands out or brings the color out more, rather than a skin tone concealer. Okay, this concealer seems kind of thick, but I don't mind it. Alright, and then I'm going to use my I Heart Revolution banana powder to set it, because that's what's in front of me. Normally I just use Airspun. I have other setting powders, but I kind of stick to Airspun. And it's affordable if I use it up. But the Airspun is like a peach tone, and this banana powder is a like light yellow tone. Alright, so this palette has some brown shades that I would want to use. Well, I wouldn't want to use these for my transition color, but I do like to use have a transition color still, so I'm not going to use anything from there. I'm going to use my foundation powder. So I'm just going to use my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable powder, and this is N7. So I'll use this. And I have a feeling like the bright pink and the orange is going to be like staining on my eyes, so I definitely want to make sure I have this concealer and setting powder to kind of help prevent some of that staining. Okay. I'm not using any tape, so I'm just going to try to, and I don't know if I'm doing a wing. I might do a wing. So I think I'm gonna go into I think I want the pink shade all over my lid, so I'm gonna just go into the pink first and put that on my lid. And this color is called Flamingo. And it's the brightest pink shade that I showed you in the beginning. I don't know how well this is blending out. Okay, kind of seems a bit patchy, but we're going to keep going in hopes that it can be fixed. I'm sure the look will come together. It usually does. And I may need to go back and add the pink anyway because I'm going to be blending the orange. So we're going to go into Tango using the same brush. And I'm just blending that on the outer corner and in the crease area, because I like the combo of the colors mixed together. So I'm just blending the orange and the pink out, and then the lid will be just the pink. And I think I'll add the shimmer on top. The orange is very pigmented. I feel like it's a little bit more pigmented than the pink. So that took a lot more blending than expected. So I blended out the edges. I just used a clean brush to blend that out. So that way it looks more, it just blends in better and it's more seamless. And I'm taking the Flamingo color and just patting that on my lid, because I'm going to take the shimmer shade also, but I'm just patting this on my lid to make sure, because I was blending for a good 5 minutes. So, and so this is a clean brush I used. It was clean. So I was just blending on the outer edge so that it blends in a lot better and didn't look like so harsh and patchy, because it did look a little patchy once I added in like the orange and the pink. It just didn't go on right. So I'm going to put on the shimmer shade, which was this pink shimmer, and it's called Amaretto. It's this pink shimmer here, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna try to do it with a brush and see how that goes on. So I'll put it on the brush, I will wet it, and I'm just putting that over top of the Flamingo pink. And I like to just kind of carve out my eyelid when I'm adding. If I'm not doing like a cut crease, I still carve out the shade I'm putting on top. I like to just take some of the shimmer shade on my finger and add that just in case it picks up better. And let's dip back into I'm gonna use a different brush. This is another clean brush. We're gonna dip back into both Flamingo and Tango. So I put them both on this brush. And I'm just gonna tap the outer edge. Now that I've put that on there, I'm just going to lightly tap to make sure that the shimmer blends in good with the outer edge. That is actually all I wanted to do to my eyes today. So just a bright pink look. And now I need to do the rest of my face, put my eyeliner on, and call it a day. So this was just a quick, simple, like bright pinky orange look. So I'll be right back once my face is fully done. This is the completed look. In case you're wondering, for my inner corner, I used a highlighter. It's a Kylie Jenner Good as Gold highlighter. So it's in this gold packaging, looks like this. I think this was from her 24th birthday launch, maybe last year, I think. And then the lip combo, of course, is the Minted Dope Lip Pencil, which I use all the time. I need to switch it up. And I use this Milani liquid lipstick in the color 39 Pretty. And then over top, I use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline. So I mix these two to get this shade on my lip. And that is pretty much it. So just a quick spring pink look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.